Crafted with precision, its sleek and modern design makes it a standout addition to your cleaning arsenal. The window mop isn't just a cleaning tool. It's an intelligently designed powerhouse that seamlessly integrates into your cleaning routine, becoming a visual delight. It's not just a mop, it's an aesthetic upgrade to your window cleaning experience. But what truly sets the Clearview Elite apart is its cleaning prowess. This window mop doesn't just clean, it does so with efficiency. With a large cleaning surface, it can cover more area in one swipe, ensuring that you can achieve streak-free perfection in less time. Whether you're tackling large glass doors, expansive windows, or intricate glass fixtures, this mop becomes the guardian of crystal clear views, providing you with the power to transform your living space. It's not just a window mop, it's a symphony of efficiency. Versatility is the Clearview Elite window cleaning mop's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to windows, it adapts to your diverse cleaning needs. The mop is suitable for glass surfaces, mirrors, and even hard-to-reach corners. The large cleaning pad ensures that you can cover more ground, making your window cleaning routine a breeze. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, ensuring that every swipe is a controlled and satisfying experience. It's not just a window mop, it's a multitasking marvel. Operation is a breeze with the Clearview Elite window cleaning mop. No need for excessive pressure or complicated maneuvers. The mop's design ensures that you can easily glide it across surfaces with minimal effort, allowing you to achieve streak-free cleanliness effortlessly. The sturdy construction provides durability, ensuring that your Clearview Elite remains a reliable guardian of crystal clear views, standing up to the rigors of regular use. It's not just a mop, it's an easy upgrade to a world of efficient window cleaning. But what about durability? The Clearview Elite doesn't just prioritize style, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, it withstands the demands of regular cleaning. The robust construction ensures that your window mop remains a reliable companion in your quest for spotless surfaces, standing up to the wear and tear of frequent use. It's not just a mop, it's a durable investment in the clarity of your living space. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you tomorrow.